how to make a paper airplane. This is something that the children ask me at my lunch table quite a bit how to do. So I'm going to take you through the steps. So first, I just have a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and I fold it lengthwise in half. And I always tell the children to make sure all the folds are nice and crisp. You open up the paper, and you're going to fold down from this corner into the middle and this corner into the middle. And I'll show you. So just like that for one, right into the middle crease. And now I have two, so it's like a triangle at the top. Then I fold the two ends together, so it kind of looks pointy. From here, you're going to fold from this crease down. So you can see that's one side. And now it's pointy again. If I opened it, it would look like that. And then once again, I fold from this lengthwise crease down from the middle. Make sure those creases are nice and crisp. And then I turned it, and I'm doing the other side. Now you have something really pointy. And there is your paper airplane. And I'll show you how it works. Can you show them? Here we go.